Welcome to our channel. Today we how to backup DynamoDB tables using AWS Backup step by step clearly. Open the AWS Management Console and sign into your account. In the search bar, type Backup and select Backup from the drop-down menu. In the AWS Backup console, click on Create Backup Plan. On the Create Backup Plan page, you can either start with a template or define your plan from scratch. For this guide, choose Build a New Plan. Enter a name for your backup plan in the name field. In the Backup Vault dropdown, select the vault where your backups will be stored. If you need to create a new backup vault, click on Create New Backup Vault and follow the prompts. Next, set your backup scheduling preferences under Backup Frequency. You can choose to run backups daily, weekly, or at custom intervals. For the retention period, specify how long you want to keep the backups. This can range from a few days to several years, depending on your requirements. Scroll down to the Backup Rules section and click on Add Resource. In the Assign Resources to Backup Plan modal, select DynamoDB as the resource type. Next, choose the specific DynamoDB tables you want to backup. You can select multiple tables if needed. After selecting the tables, click Assign Resources to confirm your choices. Review all your settings to ensure everything is configured as desired. Once confirmed, click on Create Backup Plan to finalize your settings. AWS Backup will now begin to create backups according to the schedule you specified. You can monitor the status of your backups from the AWS Backup console under Protected Resources. To view detailed information about each backup job, click on the job entries in the list. This will provide insights into the success or failure of your backup operations. Your DynamoDB tables will be regularly backed up based on the plan you established. Make sure to periodically check the backup status and review retention settings as needed. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.